rectify in passbook.
Yes. Then you cannot prepare passbook. It is up to the bank that they will correct it. Yes.
Yeah.
So error of passbook can be adjusted through bank reconciliation statement. Error of cash book will be corrected by preparing cash book, but error of passbook will be adjusted through bank reconciliation statement. Okay. You cannot rectify the error of passbook
Okay.
because it is
Okay.
books prepared by bank. So that's why you have to adjust these amount through bank reconciliation statement. You have to show those transaction which is mistake by bank. So you will show the transaction in bank reconciliation statement so that everyone understand that it is a mistake in passbook. So how to correct cash book? Now there is certain things that can be a mistake. So maybe there is something written like there is a omission of item on the debit side. Okay, so you'll write here to omission of something. If there is a calculation mistake that you have a wrong total on the debit or credit side, in that case, you have to write to undercast or to overcast. If it is less calculated, then you'll write to undercast. If it is on the credit side, then you will write by undercast. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the amount that is mistake in your calculation, so you'll write that up. Let's say if any amount is written on the wrong side, it should be debited here 5,000, but it is credited on the actually on the credit side 5,000. So it is not written on the debit side. By mistake, it is on the credit side. Then how you'll rectify it? You
By
have to write the double amount on the debit side. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have some confusion that why I'm writing double amount, or you understood? You understood why I'm writing 10,000 on the debit side, or you have some confusion about it?
No, I understood it.
Can you tell me why I'm writing?
Because it's wrong in the first place and you added it twice.
I have to write it on the debit side 5,000. So this is the correct amount, but I have written on the credit side. So to correct this also, I have to write 5,000. So 5,000, the correct one, and 5,000 to rectify the incorrect one. So total
Okay.
10. So this is how you have to prepare cash book for rectifying the errors, mistakes. Okay. After preparing this cash book, you will again get the balance either on the debit side or credit side. You know how to calculate balance.
Yes. You should
So
add the
it is by balance CD or to balance CD. So if credit side is less, then you have to write by balance CD. If debit side is less than the credit side, then you have to write to balance CD. So you will write the amount. This balance, either on the debit side or credit side, this balance will be used to prepare the bank reconciliation statement.
Okay.
Hello, Abdullah. You are at home or traveling again?
Good evening, sir. How are you? I'm actually at home.
Good evening. Okay, whatever the situation is, you can learn it here. I have given you some question, but you didn't send me the answer. I told you to solve some question because you need practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after preparing cash book, to rectify the errors, you have to prepare bank reconciliation statement with the adjusted balance. So after this, you will prepare bank reconciliation statement. So step 1. Prepare cash book to find adjusted balance.
So,
Yes.
like, can you like send me the notes of the like previous few classes? Cause like I didn't like wrote them right because I was outside.
Yes, there is some notes, but I have to reconcile it. Actually, I have to collect it from different places. It is written on different slides. So, okay, I will do it. I will send it to you.
You can send me like not now. You can send me like later, like tonight. You know,
Yes,
after a few
right
hours.
now it is not possible also.
Uh,
First, I have to see that where it is written. I have to write it together. Then I have to send it.
yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so
No
the
problem.
step 1, this is the heading, preparing bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash balance. So step 1, prepare cash book to find adjusted balance. Step 2, rectify all the errors in cash book. Step 3, ascertain the balance of cash book. And step 4, prepare bank reconciliation statement prepare bank reconciliation statement from the adjusted balance. So these are the, now which type of items that actually when we prepare this cash book for adjusted cash balance and then bank reconciliation statement. So in these two situation, actually a student gets confused that which item will go in bank reconciliation statement and which item will go in cash book. So first of all, any mistake which is done in passbook, any items which is omitted in passbook will be adjusted through bank reconciliation statement, or any mistake or omission done in cash book will be written in cash book. Like bank charge debited by bank. So it is a transaction which is done by bank. Yes.
Yeah.
So bank charge debited in our account is a transaction which is done by bank. So bank has debited this amount in our passbook. Now, this is a omission for cash book because we have not included it in cash book. So this will go in cash book because it is a mistake. Yes.
Okay.
So generally, we write this mistake, bank charge debited by bank, in bank reconciliation statement, but now in this situation, it will go in cash book. Again, direct deposit by customer into bank. This is also a transaction which is done in bank passbook. So we have to record it in cash book for adjusted balance. So any mistake, any omission for cash book should be recorded in cash book, and any passbook related mistakes or omission will be written in bank reconciliation statement. Now, the third transaction is check issued but not presented for payment. Where it should go? In these two balance, where it should go?
In cash book first.
Check issued but not presented for payment. So in cash book or bank reconciliation statement, where it should be written. I told you that we have to prepare two things in these type of question. One cash book, one bank reconciliation statement. Yes.
Yeah.
So this item will be adjusted here or here. Any one place. Cannot
In
go both of the places. Tell me, Abdullah.
or the credit side.
Not debit credit. I'm asking, just tell me in which account or statement it will go, in cash book or bank reconciliation statement, where it will go?
Cash book.
Cash book. Now the thing is, it will go in bank reconciliation statement only. Think about it. Check issued,
Because it will be cleared by the bank.
but not presented for payment. So we have already recorded this in cash book. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And it is not recorded by bank in passbook.
Passbook.
So you can say it is a mistake of passbook. So all the passbook mistake actually, no, it is not recorded. All the passbook mistake will go in bank reconciliation statement. All the cash book mistake or omission, both, will go to cash book. Okay. So in this case, this is a mistake of passbook. Now, bank charge debited by bank. So it is recorded in passbook, but not in cash book. So you can say it is a omission of cash book. So that's why it will go in cash book. Understood? That's
Yes.
why I have given you two examples. One which is related to omission or mistake of passbook, and one which is omission or mistake related to cash book. So we have to record it like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you have not studied the cash book format, I'm writing it here so that you'll understand. This is your format of cash book. So you have to prepare bank column. That's why amount will be written only related to bank transaction. So it is same as the ledger, just little bit difference. Little bit means one column extra. One column for is extra. One is for voucher number or invoice number, you can say, and the second is for ledger folio. So this is the format of cash book. Now, if you have to adjust any item, any omission or mistake related to cash book, then you'll do it here. After that, when you calculate the balance, when you calculate the balance, then this adjusted balance will be used for preparing bank reconciliation statement. Will be used for bank reconciliations. Understood? Any doubt? If there is any doubt, you can ask question. If not, then you should write the heading. This heading, prepare bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash balance, and then you have to write this the steps. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
you should write this.
Okay, sir. Sir, how much page should I leave?
What?
Like, can you like give me an idea of how much pages should I leave?
How much page you should leave?
Yeah, I the last thing written in my like, accounts book is like bank charge debited by bank, passbook decreased, cash book no change. And then the error is annoying. Cash book debit favorable positive and unfavorable negative, something like that.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes. I'm
There
looking for how many pages. Actually,
okay.
things are not written at one place. That's why I'm not able to say. But you should leave at least 3 pages.
3 pages, right? Hmm. Home user?
Hello, Kashika. You disconnected?
Yeah, by mistake I left.
Okay. I told you to write this. This is the heading. Prepare bank reconciliation statement with adjusted
Okay.
cash balance. And then you have to write these steps.
I've already written it.
All these steps.
Yeah.
Okay. Abdullah, you should, or you should also take the screenshot, Abdullah, when you have completed all the theory part, then you should write this.
Okay. So should I write this? I should not write this now?
Yes, you should take the screenshot.
Okay, sir. Sorry, can you scroll up? Like step one was yeah, done, sir.
What about these?
Screenshot?
Yes.
Okay, one
Actually,
second.
this is not the important part for theory purpose, but it is for understanding. Okay, so you should write this because it will help you in future when you are trying to understand the questions of these types.
Okay.
Have you written this, Kashika?
No, this I should write. Yeah, I finished it.
Okay, so I'm solving one question related to this. Then, okay, I'm sharing a question. Actually, there is two questions related to this. So I will solve one, and you have to solve this question and the previous class homework also. So I'm sharing the question now. Can you see the question?
Yes.
So I'm solving question number 31 here.
Okay.
Okay. So from the following particulars, find out corrected bank balance as per cash book, and thereafter prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2019 of a sole proprietor. Now, bank overdraft as per cash book is given, means it is a negative balance of cash book. Yes. So you can say credit balance as per cash book is given. But in the question, it is already said that there is some mistake, due to why we have to calculate corrected bank balance as per cash book. So in this question, we have to prepare cash book also. Okay. Now read the transaction first. We'll discuss every transaction and then we will solve the question. First transaction is check deposited as per the bank statement but not entered in the cash. Tell me, it will go in cash book or bank reconciliation statement? Yes, Kashika.
Yeah, 1 second.
Hello, Kashika. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
I'm asking the first question where it will go.
It should.
Yes. Okay, let me prepare it.
A credit balance in the bank column.
In cash book or bank reconciliation
Cash
statement?
book. Cash book.
Yes, it will go in cash book. Let
Okay.
me prepare the question so that you'll understand. First of all, we have to prepare the cash book. I'm not going in detail of the format. So I will prepare a simple format with particular date, amount, and then date. So this is our cash book. And after that, we'll prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so this is cash book. Here it is, bank reconciliation statement. As what is the date? Date of the transaction is 31st March 2019. Now the first transaction is bank overdraft as per cash book, means negative balance of cash book, credit side balance of cash book, you can say. So first of all, we will write here first transaction by balance BD. The amount is 80,000. After that, there is check deposited as per the bank statement, but not entered in the cash. When check deposited, this is the second transaction, check deposited, but not entered in. So to check in hand, we write it. It is 3,000. Check deposited will increase the bank balance. That's why on the debit side. The next transaction is check recorded for collection but not sent to the bank. So this transaction is already recorded in the cash book. That's why it will not be recorded in cash book again. So it will go to the bank reconciliation statement. Check recorded for collection but not sent to bank. Credit side of bank column casted short. Now credit side of bank column. So undercasting means totaling is incorrect. Undercasting. So how much amount we have to write here? Check deposit credit side of 1,000. Next is bank charge recorded twice in the cash. So bank charge is recorded on the credit side. If it is recorded twice, so two wrong entry. Twice entry will be correct. Twice entry on credit side. So how much it is? 100. Again, customer check returned as per bank statement. So customer check returned if we have deposited check into our bank account, then we have increased this, but it is dishonor. So by dishonor of check. Dishonor of check 4,000. After that, there is check issued but dishonored on technical grounds 3,000. So we have debited it in our book, but it is not withdrawn. So it will be recorded in already recorded in passbook, but not recorded in cash book. So we will write here to check dishonored. How much is it? 3,000. Then there is bills collected by bank directly. Bills collected by bank directly means there is no entry in cash book. So we'll write here bill collected by bank. Or you can say bills receivable, 20,000. After that, there is check received, entered twice in the cash book. Check received, entered twice in the cash book. So we have received the check and entered twice in the cash book. So by repeat entry, $5,000. Understood? So most of the item is error here. Okay. Tell me, you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so we have to calculate the balance. Which side is more? Credit side. So total of credit side is 81,000 or 85, 90,000. And here it will be 90,000 to balance CD. It will be 23, 26,000. 26,000. 26,100. So 0, 0, 9. $63,900. Now, in all of these, the first one is here. Twice entry on credit side, you have to write it here. Balance BD obviously here by undercasting, by dishonor of check, by repeat entry and bill collected. Now this entry, yes, to check dishonor. Actually, this check is we have issued this check to someone, and it is dishonored on technical ground. Means that person can go to the bank again and withdraw the money if we will issue another check to him. So in this case, if we have given, actually there is no bad intention in our mind. So if we have given check to someone of 3,000 and it is dishonored, so what should we do now? Dishonored on technical ground means there is some problem in check. Either there is cutting on the check, or there is typing or writing mistake. So that's why dishonored on technical ground. There may be number incorrect. So these type of reason. Can you tell me what should we do? We will again issue a new check to this person.
Okay.
Because if we don't have any bad intention, then we will issue a new check, because this check is rejected due to some technical ground. So we'll issue a check again. And if we are issuing this check again, and he will go to the bank, then again we have to enter this in our book 3,000 on the credit side. So if it is already recorded, then why should we write it here? Yes. So you can write it here or directly write it in the bank reconciliation statement also. So both are correct solution. You can do any of these two. So it will be 66,900 if I remove 3,000 on the debit side, because now it will increase by 3,000. Now this balance, credit balance as per cash book, will be used as the starting point. 66,900 or 63,900, whatever the case may be, how you have solved. I have shown you both the way how to solve. So add or less. Now we have to see which item we have not included it here. So we have written the first entry, the second one, check deposited, the third one, 10,000. Yes, it is not written. So we will discuss about third one. Check recorded for collection but not sent to bank. Means we have recorded it in cash book. So our cash book is increased. Now we have to decrease our cash book to match with passbook balance. But due to negative balance, we have to add it. So check recorded but not sent to bank, 10,000. Is this clear? Is this clear, Kashika, Abdullah?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next is credit side of bank column casted short. So this is already written in cash book, so it will not go to undercasting here. By undercasting 1,000, it is already written. Bank charge recorded twice in the cash book, so this was also a mistake, so it is written here. Customer check returned as per bank statement, it is already recorded here. And check issued but dishonored on technical ground. So 3,000. This 3,000 will come here. Check issued means we have given check to someone to withdraw money from our account. So we have decreased our cash book, but passbook remains same. So we have to increase our cash book. Now, due to negative balance, it will be written in less side. So check issued but dishonored. On technical ground. It is 3,000. Understood? So this 10,000 will be added here. It will be 76,900 and 3,000 will be deducted from this one. So it will be 73,900 and this is your debit balance as per passbook. Now this solution you need to write so that there will be understanding of these type of question. Okay.
Okay.
So write it. Actually, date. There is a closing date given. So you can give all these date as March 31st. Complete. Done. So this is your solution. Cash book and then bank reconciliation statement.
So why?
Yes.
Okay, no. Nothing, sir. Like I don't.
No, if you have any question, you can ask it.
No, it's like not that important. I just like why is like cash book very similar to ledger?
Yes, it is similar to ledger. Cash book is prepared in the same manner.
Okay. So like
Cash
there
book
is no difference.
also treated as cash account. Sometime when we prepare cash book, we don't need cash account then.
Okay. So like in this cash book also like any transaction like all the transactions will be recorded like except for the cash one, right?
All the cash transaction will be recorded here in cash book.
Okay, okay. But like ledger if we like make a cash account so all the transactions uh which are like you know the opposite side of the account will be
Book
recorded in
and cash account is almost same. There is only a difference of name. So whatever we are doing in cash book, we do same thing in cash account also. There is nothing changes in cash account.
okay. Thank you, sir.
So Done. Done.
Yes, yes, sir.
Abdullah. Okay, so this is the portion, and now you have to solve the next one. Or you can take the screenshot if you want of this portion. Question number 30. So this is the homework. I will share it with the team and they will